Every organization is at risk for potential security threats. Don't let your organization fall victim. Potential security threats that face every organization are ransomware. Ransomware attacks is malicious malware that is used to encrypt files on a device, rendering that device, that file, and that system unusable. Distributed denial of service attacks are multiple connected devices that overwhelm a target with fake traffic. That overwhelming fake traffic makes the network unavailable to its intended users. And finally, phishing attacks. Those are cyber attacks in which targets are contacted via email, telephone calls, and text messages from what appears to be a legitimate source. Only on the other side, it is a hacker that is trying to get personal, identifiable information to hack your accounts or to hack your organization's network. There are countermeasures your organization can take in order to mitigate the risks that exist. Conduct regular system audits. Keep software systems up to date, installing new patches which mitigate risks and resolve vulnerabilities within the system. Deploy next generation firewalls, which are designed to detect advanced security threats. Back up confidential information and educate employees on what cyber attacks look like and common cyber attacks they may run into. Finally, if your organization is compromised, make sure to immediately disconnect any device or any system that has been compromised from the network. You need to detect the compromise, isolate that system. Once the detection is made and the isolation is complete, notify the affected users, whether that is employees or clients. They need to be notified. And finally, clean and restore those prioritized systems. Wipe the viruses clean. Clean those systems, restore them from the most recent backup of data, which is why it's so important to back up your data. Once those systems are restored, move forward implementing strong security controls. Implement strong cybersecurity measures to protect your organization. Do not let your organization fall victim to security threats. Do what you can to protect it.